Hi guys!
Oh, your car's down there.
Huh?
Love. Dito sa kabila. Doon ka sa kabila. Babae ka.
Gagi vlog to. Hi guys! Naghihintay kami ngayon kay Kyla. Saan ba siya? Pwede yan.
At naman video sa'yo.
Okay, so i-check kaya namin sila mamaya. Malilate kaya tayo sa ating flight. Magkakaalaman. 5K 874 boarding. Welcome to Chiang Mai. Kaway-kaway. Kev, ano sabihin mo Kev sa Chiang Mai?
Ikaw natin ulit yung picture.
Wow! First ride! Papuntang Airbnb!
Instant 300 baht.
Sheesh!
Yes.
Sheesh, Lexus! Kagi, thank you for using. Sheesh! Uy!
Okay, go, go.
Party ba, no? Tup, 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 tup. Good morning! Morning, guys! Well, morning! Unboxing! Dito tayo sa Chiang Mai Serenity Stay.
Edit mo ba
Hello,
talaga yan?
guys! Wow! Uy, nandito ka na agad?
Guys, welcome to my home!
Yay!
Hindi niyo ba alam?
Sawadee Kap!
Yes, we believe that. Let your free, we gonna get long age, long life. In your country, eat or not? Yeah, sometimes. Also eat. Used to make our red curry and green curry. Yes, but inside bitter. The taste a bit crunchy and bitter.
Oh.
This one soft and sweet together in our green curry.
So yun guys, welcome to Thailand Market. Bibili kami ng coffee.
Hindi pala tayo bibili na. Hindi, tagang pinasal lang tayo.
Kaya magkano yung natin? Kape natin, magkano?
Ano nangyayari sa budget?
10,000 baht.
Damn bro! Mama Noy.
This one for green curry, but if you don't like this one, no choice.
No choice.
You have to add.
Ha?
Doon ka sa tapat.
Dito nga. Chom chom.
Everyone.
Kev, i-reveal mo naman sa akin yung mga niluto mo, Kev.
First we have the pad thai,
Chay!
straight up masterpiece.
Damn!
See?
Eat with the curry.
And then we have a curry chicken,
Okay, this one for
Chicken!
chicken.
chili powder and brown.
And the last but not the least, the beautiful soup, Thompson soup.
Subscribe!
Hit that like button.
We're doing mango sticky Everyone, rice. Bende, buffering, you ask sticky rice tea.
Can you say hi to the vlog? Sorry?
Say hi to the vlog.
Sorry.
It's okay. Say hi, everyone.
Put rice.
Hoy, say hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone.
Now.
Now you add sticky rice. I like the color.
Okay!
And try eating at
Just woke up.
Si Kuya ba natin bayan mo ito?
Patingin.
nag-picture. Ano na ako.
Okay, what's the plan, guys? Good morning, guys. Love. Love. Ayan, baby Jowo.
Yes, everybody, you have to check everything visual, okay?
Mainit ulo.
Then we're gonna go up there.
Oh, we're going to the elephant, guys. Kita ko kasama yung mga elephant. Oh.
Turo.
Good morning.
Sheesh.
You wake up?
Drip check.
Still sleeping? Or hangover for last night? Oh, alright, it's better, okay? And you can call me Jumbo. Yeah. Jumbo today. I'll finish your bag here. Elephant, this is how to
To open it, 240 with service with this our family. Everybody pay.
Go. Shit, umandang na lang. Ito kami ngayon sa bazaar. Ay, ano ba ito? Mabilihan ng elephant pants. Happy shopping. Mamangasay kami ngayon sa Kalan na.
this.
Yun no. Mga videographer oh. Yun po.
Yeah, hindi na kailangan natin makita.
Yep.